Today we are going to make a paperweight made out of white cement. Let's get started. All you need is this, some white cement in a plastic bowl, any plastic cups for molding, few drops of coconut oil and paint of your wish. This paint is totally optional. You can use it if you wish. Now I have coated this plastic ball with oil, few drops of oil before starting. You can see I have added only 2 drops of paint to this. Now let's mix this with water. You need very less amount of water to mix this. For a right consistency, you have to get a batter and pour into the mold. Now this is my green batter of white cement. Let's pour this into the mold, which we have greased with oil. Now I have transformed this. Let's set it by tapping on the floor. Now this is ready for drying. We shall see after few hours. I am keeping this on hot sun. Let's see what's the result. Curry bowl. Now after 2 hours, this is the appearance. Yes, it has got its shape, but still it is wet. This is after about 8 hours. You can see it has dried fully and you can hear the sound. But one thing is missing. We have to paint it. I have painted this after 1 day. It has dried fully and I had made a concept of the 9 islands, the Navadvip Dham, Antar Dvip, Simanta Dvip, Gotrama Dvip, Madhya Dvip, Kola Dvip, Ritu Dvip, Janu Dvip and Modrum Dvip, Rudra Dvip, 9 islands. And I have written this, the 9 islands, Sri Navadvip Dham. And backside I have painted blue color. So this was done. Haribol. Now you can use this as a paperweight, or I have some more ideas. In the back side, here I have 3 magnets. You can stick this magnets using glue gun or something else and use it as a fridge magnet. Or I have some more idea. You can use this in the altar and you can remember the Navadvip Dham. You can pay obeisances to Navadvip Dham with this. You can paste some thread here. You can do some chunky works and stick on it here. And you can use this as a wall hanging, door hanging. So now I have explained 4 tips almost. You can use this as a paperweight or wall hanging or door hanging. You can use this as a fridge magnet, or you can keep it in the altar and pay obeisances. Haribol. Hope you like this.